你好，朋友，我是周老师。周老师 from Language Sprout。Yes， 你好吗？你好吗？你好，你好吗？你好，你好吗？你好，你好吗？我很好，谢谢。哇，太棒了！很好。Okay. Oh, you will say, today the Chinese class is 3:30 Central Time. That's right. Okay, so the Chinese mini lesson is going to be on Mondays at 3:30. Okay, remember that. Okay, 很好。现在周老师来考一考你，你记不记得我们的数字？ Do you remember our numbers? I'm going to show you in Chinese. Okay. No. 这是什么？一啊，对了。二，这个呢？三，四。Oh, you can read this, right? 拼音 ，read 拼音。五啊，六，七，八。九，十，十一，十二，十三，十四，十五，十六，十七，十八，十九，20，对了，20。Okay, now count it by tens. Okay, 30，40，50，60，70，80，90，100，90。What's this? Yes, 100，很好。对了，啊哈，100，太棒了。OK，很好。那现在你看，周老师做表情，你猜。OK，so 如果周老师做，What's this one? 啊，对了，是高兴啊。对了，高兴，高兴。OK, next one. 花式周老师是什么？啊，对啦，伤心。伤心。哇，好棒。下一个，是什么？啊，对啦，是生气。啊哈，生气。对啦，太棒了。哦，下一个是什么？是什么？哦，对了，是累了啊，累了，累了，对了，哇，太棒了！那下一个是什么呢？是什么？哦，病了。你说病了啊？哦，周老师修有 病了。Can you say that？ 病了。好。那下一个是什么呢？是什么？困惑。对啊，是。困惑。困惑。啊，太棒了！哇，很好。那下一个是什么呢？耶！当当当当当当当当当当当当当当，是什么？哈哈 ，yes， 兴奋，yeah，OK， 很好，说兴奋，兴奋，兴奋，兴奋，兴奋，兴奋，兴奋，OK， 很好，太棒了，你说非常好，真棒，非常好，真棒，真棒，好 ，OK。那现在我们一起来看。Oh, my friend, do you remember the song we sang before? Where are my friends? Let me see. Where are my friends? Are my friends here? If you are here, you can write it down. 你好 say your name, 好吗 Okay. Let's sing together. Okay. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7。我的朋友在哪里？在这里，在这里。我的朋友在这里。我的朋友。Oh, you are my 朋友 right? What is 朋友？ Friend. That's right. You are my 朋友。朋友。周老师是 looking for my 朋友。哦，很好，太棒啦。Okay. All right. So for today, we are going to learn 农场动物。What is a 农场动物？ We are going to learn farm animals. Wow, that's right. Okay, look, first one. What's this one? What's that? 这是什么？它是马。Can you say that? Oh, right here. Okay, say 马。Okay, see third tone. 马。Can you say 马 ？Let's say 马马马马马马。耶！哇，太棒了。OK， 好，那下一个是什么呢？下一个周老师找。哒哒哒哒 ，Did you see？ 哇，这是什么？这是山羊。山羊 ，What is a 山羊？山羊山羊山羊妈妈，山羊宝宝，山羊妈妈山羊。OK， 跟周老师说，山羊，山羊，山羊，山羊，山羊。Then you say， 山羊，山羊，山羊太棒了。好，那下一个是什么呢？这是什么？这是绵羊。绵羊，好，周老师给你看。绵羊。对了，好，一起说，绵羊羊绵羊绵羊绵羊绵羊绵羊绵羊绵羊。对啦，绵羊，太棒了。好，那现在我看下一个是什么呢？ 这是什么 ？Did you see？ 这是什么？这是公牛。说公牛，公牛，太棒了，很好。公牛，公牛，公牛，公牛，公牛，公牛，公牛，啊，很棒。下一个是什么呢？哇哦，看的 ，Do you see？ 哇哦，这是什么？这是奶牛啊！跟周老师说，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛，奶牛啊！太棒了，奶牛，很好。好，那下一个是什么呢？下一个很小，是什么？哦，是小老鼠，老鼠。好，我们看老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠。哇，很好。好，那下一个是什么呢？下一个周老师没有小动物。好吧，那周老师就给你看图片。Okay, I just have pictures right now. Okay, 下一个I can show you the sound they make. They will say, 嘎嘎嘎，嘎嘎嘎。是小鸭子。对了 ，Good job。说鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子，鸭子。很好。OK， 下一个是什么呢？下一个 I have a little animal here. OK. Do you see？ 哇，这是什么？Can you see？ 这是鹅。You say 鹅很好。It's easy to see this one actually. Say 鹅，鹅，right？鹅 second tone 鹅。很好。再见。好，下一个是什么呢？下一个周老师看哇，周老师还有照片。I don't have the little animal, but I have a picture show you. Okay. 哒哒哒哒 Did you see？ 小鸡。对了，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡，小鸡。OK, next one 是什么呢？是什么？这是看火鸡，火鸡和我火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，火鸡，太棒了。OK， 下一个呢？周老师找一找。OK， 周老师只有这个有这是什么？这是母鸡。Say 母鸡， 母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，母鸡，太棒了！好 ，OK，next one，周老师，没有，周老师没有小动物。OK， 好，那看这个是什么？哦，这个是公鸡公鸡。And when you say 公鸡 what do they make sound? What kind of sound do they make? You say, oh, cock-a-doodle-doo, right? Okay, you know what? In China, we say 公鸡 will say, oh, 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 wo, wo, wo. They will make a wo, wo, wo sound. 公鸡 wo, wo, wo. Okay, 公鸡很好。Okay, we have one more. 这是什么呢？喂喂喂喂，是猪看猪，对了，很好，跟周老师唱，猪公鸡公鸡公鸡公鸡公鸡公鸡，母鸡母鸡母鸡母鸡母鸡母鸡，火鸡火鸡火鸡火鸡火鸡火鸡，小鸡小鸡小鸡小鸡小鸡小鸡，对啦 ，OK， you can see. I show you those. 公鸡母鸡小鸡火鸡 look. Yeah, look. What do you see? Oh, yes, their last word is same. 小鸡火鸡母鸡公鸡，对了，哇，你很棒，你很棒，太棒了。Okay, you know what, my friend? If you subscribe to our page, you will get the newsletter. So today, the activity is, actually we have 2 fun activities for you to do today. Okay, then you can print those out. You can cut them. Those, see, we have, those are called matching game. Okay, this is a matching game. You have pictures, you have pinyin, and you have Chinese characters. So, what you can do is, because I just have to show you, so I will put it tape on here so you can see, okay? For example, what's the first one? If you play this at home, you just put on the table, okay? You just match them. Remember, in Chinese, we need to match the pictures and pinyin and what? Chinese characters. That's correct. 很好。But you, like I said before, you can say, I just want to do, or start with the easiest one. You say, I want to do the pictures and pinyin first. Match them first, like that. Okay? 马 That's right. Okay, if 周老师 show you another picture, what's this one? This one is 母鸡okay. If 周老师 say, 母鸡 is that correct? Is that 母鸡？不是 You say 周老师错了，这不是母鸡，这是什么？这是奶牛。OK， 那周老师 need to look for 母鸡。母鸡。母鸡。Is this 母鸡？不是，这是鸭子。OK，周老师 keep looking。母鸡。 这是母鸡吗 ？Yes， 对啦，是。你 say 是母鸡。OK 啊，那我们看，如果周老师说我们再玩一个 one more，OK， 这是什么？奶牛。Did we pick 奶牛 before? I think we did, right? Oh, 奶牛，是不是？这是奶牛吗？老鼠哦，不是奶牛，不是。So we have to remove this. 不是啊。那现在看，这是奶牛吗？奶牛是不是？是，哇，太棒了。Okay, so you can pick pictures and the pinyin or pictures and Chinese characters. Okay, or you can do 3. If you already know the picture and the pinyin and the characters, you can put them all together. Okay, that's how you play matching game. I love this game. It's so fun. Okay, and if you want to play memory game, you can flip them all down. Then you can pick one, try to match them. That's even more challenging. Okay, you can do that too. Okay, and another page. Okay, there's another activity you can do is you print out this paper. And for some reason, Zhou Laoshi only print half out. I don't know what's going on. So, but I still did my work, even I have a half page. Okay, so those are the space for you to draw. You can draw the animals. Okay, the animals we just learned today. You see what did Zhou Laoshi draw? What's this one? First one. 周老师 did. This is called what? 鸭子。周老师煮鸭子。Okay, how about this one? 这是什么？这是猪。You see, you draw the picture and you can write the characters on there, okay? Or you can write a pinyin on there, okay? Then, 周老师 also did, what's this? 这是什么？马。周老师 wrote 马 right here. And, oh, this one. 这是什么？小鸡。And I did another one too right here. 这是什么？老鼠。Yes, okay. So, 周老师 didn't finish because I want to see your work. Okay, I would love to see your work when you are done. You can take a photo and send it to us. How about that? 周老师 can't wait to see your work. Okay, all right. So I will see you again next Monday. Okay, remember, my friends, Chinese mini lesson is going to be on Mondays at 3:30 p.m. Central Time, okay? Because I think that this time will be easier for everybody. Most kids already got out of school, okay? So you can join 周老师. Before we had it in the morning, I think a lot of kids are in the school. So that's why they can't join me, okay? So now we change it to the afternoon. I think that will be easier for you, right? And because I want to see you, right? Okay, now let's sing 再见朋友, okay? Ready? 再见朋友，再见朋友，再见朋友，我们下次见，再见。